Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel at small talk. Begin by asking open-ended questions that invite more than a simple yes or no. For example, instead of "Did you have a good weekend?" try "What was the highlight of your weekend?" This encourages a more engaging response. Look for shared interests or observations in your immediate environment. A sincere compliment can also be a wonderful icebreaker, making the other person feel valued and open to conversation. Active listening is crucial for successful small talk. Truly hear what the other person is saying, rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. Show you're engaged by asking thoughtful follow-up questions, like, "That sounds interesting, could you tell me more about it?" Remembering small details they share, such as a hobby or a recent event, allows you to circle back to those topics, demonstrating you were paying attention and value their input. To keep the conversation flowing, contribute your own brief, relevant stories. This makes the exchange feel balanced and less like an interview. Use phrases like "that reminds me of," or "speaking of that," to transition between subjects naturally. Aim for a two-way street of sharing. Also, recognize when it's time to politely disengage, perhaps after about 5 to 10 minutes, by saying something like, "It was a pleasure speaking with you." Like any skill, excelling at small talk requires consistent practice. Seek out opportunities in everyday situations, from waiting in line to attending social gatherings. Don't be afraid of a few awkward silences. View them as chances to learn and adapt. Your primary goal should be to make the other person feel at ease and genuinely heard. With each interaction, your confidence will grow, transforming small talk from a chore into an enjoyable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.